guys, so today I'm gonna be teaching you guys on how to watch any movie for free, so you don't have to pay for Netflix. So first you guys need to go to the Play Store. After that, search for Streamflix. So then install this application. So I have already installed this thing. So if you don't want to search this, the link will also be in the description. So now click open. Okay, now so you need to watch ads to watch the movies. So now I'm gonna just search up Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Oh, this takes a while. Okay, now Spider-Man is here. You can watch it just like this. So here you can watch the Spider-Man and any movie that you want. Let me just skip to make sure that to clear you guys that this is a Spider-Man movie. See, this is the first Spider-Man movie. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful for you guys, please subscribe.